Hi, I'm Dick Moberg, and this is a shout out from me and all the wonderful people I work with. You know, about 6 years ago, my best friend got hit by a car, and she was 2 weeks in a coma and about 3 months in the hospital. And during that time, they told her family she may not live. Well, today she texts me almost every day, and we go to dinner together, we go to the theater together. And it shows you that there's really a lot more we need to know. And it underscores the mission of the Curing Coma campaign and how important it is. 4 years ago, I started a company to put data up on the cloud and use AI and machine learning to try to figure out more about the injured brain. And today, I work with all these young kids and they keep me young. And I want you to meet a couple of them. So let's take a tour. This is our marketing department. Say hello, marketing.
Hello.
Hi everyone, my name is Ethan. Happy World Coma Day, and this is where the magic happens.
Hi, this is Craig Maddox. I'm out in Portland, Oregon. I am the West Coast branch of Moberg Analytics. I've known Dick for a decade and been working for him for a few years now. I'm the chief technologist at the company, and we are super excited to be embarking on an effort with the Curing Coma campaign to begin collecting data from different sites for the Coma Quality Improvement Project. And we're very excited to be participating.